Welcome. In today's guide, we're going to walk through a simple and effective way to hide notifications for X notices on your lock screen in the X app. If you've ever wanted a little more privacy or just fewer distractions when you glance at your phone, this quick update will show you exactly how to make it happen step by step. The process is easy, and it all starts in your phone's settings. First, unlock your device and go straight to the Settings menu. This is where all the tools for customizing your phone's behavior are found. Once you're inside Settings, scroll down and tap on the option called Apps. This section organizes everything installed on your device, and from here we'll be focusing specifically on the X app. Go ahead and tap on it to open up its detailed settings. Inside the X app settings, look for the option labeled Notifications. This is where you can manage exactly how the app alerts you. Tap on Notifications and you'll see several choices for customizing. Next, select Notification Categories, which breaks down different types of alerts the app can send. Now, find and tap on X Notices. This is the specific type of notification we want to adjust. Once you're inside the X Notices settings, locate the option that says Lock Screen. Tap on it to open up the lock screen notification preferences. Here, you'll be given several options about how much information appears on your lock screen. Select Don't Show Notifications. By choosing this option, you prevent X notices from appearing on your lock screen entirely, giving you more peace of mind and reducing clutter. That's it. You've successfully updated your settings. From now on, X notices won't pop up on the lock screen, but they'll remain available when you access them inside the app itself. It's a quick adjustment that makes a big difference, whether you're aiming for privacy or simply a cleaner-looking phone. With these steps, you've just learned the updated method to hide notifications for X notices on your lock screen in the X app. Try it out right away and enjoy a more streamlined experience every time you pick up your phone.